Hi everyone! Kumusta mo tanan? I'm Xerxes and I'm a certified essential oil specialist here in Cebu, Philippines. And today I will show you how I do my face mist with a couple of ingredients. And just today I'm showing you my new vlog wall in here so you could see it. Alright, it got tulips and some 3D butterflies because I'm actually a professional florist here in Cebu, Philippines. And I'm also recently into aromatherapy. So I hope that you would listen or watch this video till the end because I'm gonna show you how I do that face mist. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay everyone, let me introduce to you the ingredients in making face mist. So we have here, I'm using a hydrosol, which is citrus arantium, which is a bitter orange, and we call this dalanda in the Philippines. And I'm using this hydrosol because we have a lot of supply for this because it's just found in our country. So I'm gonna use the bitter orange hydrosol, and then I also have distilled water. Okay, so we're gonna use that, and as well as aloe vera is one of the most important ingredient, and it is also beneficial for skincare. And I also have vegetable glycerin in here. It's actually derived from coconut, and this is a good natural humectant, so it's good for moisturizing, and we need this for our face mist. And I also need grapeseed oil. It's also good for the skin, and I'm gonna use a couple of amounts of this vegetable oil. And for the essential oil in here, I'm gonna add 3 drops of Elemi. Again, Elemi is widely sourced in the Philippines, and it is the cousin of frankincense and myrrh. So it is widely used in cosmetics because it has good skincare properties. So I'm just happy that Elemi is widely available here in the country. So I'm gonna use this in my face mist, and I'm just gonna add about 3 drops of it because I'm using it on a daily basis. And the best part of this is I'm recycling a bottle. This one is 150 ml. This is from Skin Lab, and I'm using this face mist. It's called Aloe Vera face mist, but this time I'm creating my own, and I will just be using around 100 ml. So I'm just recycling bottles. So if you have bottles in here that are still good to use, you better recycle them. Okay, so there you go guys. Let me show you how I do this face mist. All right. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is add 5 ml of the grapeseed oil. Now I have a very tiny beaker in here. It's very cute, so I'm gonna fill this with grapeseed oil. Okay, so I have 5 ml of the grapeseed oil, and I'm gonna add 3 drops of Elemi essential oil. This one, I don't know if you could see it, but I will just try my best. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 drops of Elemi. Smells so good. So I'm gonna add it here in my, I think I'm gonna use a graduated cylinder. It's 100 ml. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the 500 or 5 ml. I'm so sorry, 5 ml of vegetable glycerin. Okay, it has 3 drops of Elemi in it, and I'm also adding a vegetable glycerin, which is derived from coconut, 5 ml of this one too. So I'm just using the same beaker in here. Okay, it's a heavy oil, so I might need to squeeze it. So I just need 5 ml of this one. Okay, so that is 5 ml, very cute beaker. So I'm gonna add it here on my graduated cylinder. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a swirl. Okay, so it's trying to mix the vegetable oil and the grapeseed oil. Okay. After that, guys, let's try to add 50 ml of the aloe vera. So 50 ml of that. Right now it's already around 10 ml because I added 5 ml of the glycerin and 5 ml of the grapeseed oil. So pretty much I have to hit the mark of 60 ml for the 50 ml of aloe vera. Okay. So I'm gonna squeeze this one out. You know what? I think I need to open this one out. Okay, there we go. This is easier, so I'm gonna add 50 ml of this. Alright. Okay, 50 ml of it, of aloe vera. Then I'm gonna add 30 ml of the hydrosol, the bitter orange hydrosol. So I hope that I will not spill this. So 30 ml, okay. Alright, perfect. Okay, that's 30 ml. Next is, let's add the water, 20 ml of water. So this is the distilled water, so let's add it here. Okay, so this now totals 100 ml of face mist. Okay, so I have a bottle in here which is I have recycled. This is from Skin Lab and I have cleaned this one already. So I'm gonna put this one here inside the bottle. This is actually 150 ml, but I'm just creating 100 ml of the face mist. So let's put it here. Okay, make sure that all the ingredients are inside the bottle. Okay, replace the cap. And let's give it a little shake. Okay, so I think it's now ready. This is from Skin Lab, but I'm just recycling the bottle in here. So let's just try it, guys. Of course, as usual, you have to take some caution. You need to close your eyes when you spray the face mist. Okay, so let's try this. Close your eyes. Smells so good. I can smell the bitter orange. I can also smell the Elemi. So, I love it. This is my face mist already, guys. So I hope that you like the ingredients. I'm gonna list it down below. And if you're conscious with the auto dilution calculator, I actually created one. And I have put the link down below in here. So every time you need to create a massage oil, a roller blend, the auto dilution calculator is there for you to use, and it will make life easier for all of us, especially if you are trying to blend oils or create your own face mist, massage oil, or facial serum. So the auto dilution calculator's link is just down below. And in a short while later on, I will also do another video which is a facial toner, and this one is a face mist, so I will show you a facial toner in a short while. So there you go, guys. I hope that you learned something today, and thanks for watching. And once again, all together, let's get oiling. Goodbye.